In this video, we're going to complete a division pattern. So if we have a problem like this that says complete the pattern, and we have 9 divided by 3, 90 divided by 3, 900 divided by 3, and 9,000 divided by 3, and we need to figure that out. So first, just take a minute and notice that this is 9, this is 90, this is 900, so in the hundreds, and this is 9,000, so in the thousands, right? 90 is in the tens. So the first thing to do is let's do the division, okay? So 9 ones divided by 3 equals 3 ones. So simple. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Then we have 9 tens divided by 3 equals 3 tens. And if we have 9 hundreds, and if we divide that by 3, that's going to give us 3 hundreds. And if we have 9 thousands and divide that by 3, that's going to give us 3 thousands. So let's complete the pattern. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. 90 divided by 3 equals 30. That's 3 tens, right? That's what we have here. 900 divided by 3 equals 3 hundreds, and that's what we have here. And 9 thousands divided by 3 equals 3 thousands. So just notice that we have 3 zeros for the thousands, we have 2 zeros for the hundreds, and we have 1 zero for the tens, and no zeros for the ones. So that's how you complete an increasing pattern like this. And don't worry if you don't get this right away, just rewatch the video. And I have other resources in the description with links to my other videos that are like this, which might be helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. Thanks.